Why inflation and deflation speed can make or break your seal. Hey engineers, ever wonder why your inflatable seal leaks, bulges or wear out easily? Even though the design is perfect. The secret often lies in one thing. Most people overlook inflation and deflation speed. Let's break down this in simple terms. When you inflate a seal too fast, say under 2 seconds, the air rushes in before the rubber can expand evenly. That builds uneven pressure. The seal bulges at weak points and you start seeing small surface cracks or even premature leaks. Now, if inflation is too slow, over 20 seconds, the seal may not contact the surface quickly enough, and your system could start leaking before it's fully sealed. The sweet spot, around 10 seconds for most silicon or EPDM seals, depend on the size and the air volume. Use a flow regulator to control this, set between 20 to 50 psi. Deflation matters too. Too quick and your seal collapse unevenly, jamming clean room doors or reduce your cycle time. Aim instead 3 to 5 seconds. A simple speed test can add thousands of extra cycle to your seal life. Try it, log your result and tell me how it goes in the comment. Follow for more real world sealing insights from Western Rubbers.